Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Alex and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to speed up uTorrent's download speed, version 3.5.5. And before I start, make sure you enable the subtitles on my videos to understand better what I say. So yeah, let's start. First of all, of course, open mTorrent or uTorrent, whatever you want to call it. Then go up here in the top left corner, click Options, then Preferences. Then go in the General section and uncheck the option Check Association on Startup. And we do not need to change anything right here. We're gonna go straight up to Connection because the other three tabs we do not need to change anything. Go to Connection, change the port number to 45682 and leave everything else default. After that, go to Bandwidth, and here you need to uncheck these two options right here. If you have these options checked, uncheck them, and we do not need to change anything up here in the top. We're gonna go straight up to the other numbers. Change the global maximum number of connections to 2000. Change the maximum number of connected peers per torrent to 1500, and change the number of upload slots per torrent to 25. And the final setting, use additional upload speeds. If upload percent is lower than 90%, leave that checked, and then go to BitTorrent. And here the only setting you need to change is the outgoing setting. Change that from disabled to enabled. If you have this unchecked, make sure you check it. And after that, go to queuing. Now change the number which has maximum number of active torrents. Change that to 100. And below it, the maximum number of active downloads, change that to 50. And then right below it, the minimum ratio, change that to 100 and leave everything else default. This is what you need to change, and we're gonna go straight up to the little box icon. Click that and go to Disk Cache. This section is for people who have trouble with their hard drives. For example, if you're downloading with uTorrent or mTorrent and uTorrent uses your hard drive like 100% all the time, make sure you uncheck this, and this. In total it's like 4 settings. If you have these 4 checked, make sure you uncheck them. As I said, it's for people who have problem with their hard drive when uTorrent uses 100% of their hard drive, because I have an SSD and I have no trouble with Disk Cache. And yeah, as I said, if you have problems, uncheck these. And we're done right here. We're gonna go to Advanced. Here the setting we're going to change is it's the BT allow same IP. Change that from false and change it to true. Then after that, go to the letter D and then find the DHT rate. Change that from -1 to 2, and make sure you click set, because if you do not click set, the number won't apply to there. Make sure you click set. And the final setting we're going to change, go to the letter S. We do not need to change anything on all of these settings. We'll go to the letter S and find RSS.update _ interval. Change that from 15 to 20 and make sure to click set. And yeah, that's everything. I'm pretty sure. If I missed some important settings, tell me in the comment section, because I think that's the most important settings that I have changed. And after you have changed all the settings, click apply and OK, and hopefully your download speed will increase by 15 or 20%. So that's the video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any video ideas, tell me in the comment section. I'll try to make them in the future. If you have any problems, tell me in the comment section. I'll try to help you as much as possible. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya.